Why did a young princess have to leave her home? She was the daughter of an emperor, born into a fading empire. In the palace, her world felt warm and safe, but outside, everything was changing. The empire had fallen, Korea was no longer free, and even the royal family could not escape. One day, she was told she had to leave. She didn't understand, only that something was wrong. She held her father's hand tighter than ever. Then she walked away from the palace for the last time. At the station, she stood alone, small and afraid. On the train, she quietly watched her world disappear. Across the sea, her homeland faded behind her. In Japan, everything felt unfamiliar. The language, the people, even the air felt different. She stood among others, yet completely alone. Nights became the hardest. She looked at the moon, missing home. Years passed, and the child became an adult. But her life was no longer her own. She was forced into a political marriage, a life chosen not by her. Silence filled her days, and slowly her mind began to fade. She whispered the same words again and again, "I want to go back to Korea." Time moved on, but her longing never did. She grew weaker, lost in her memories. Then one day she finally returned. She stepped onto her homeland once again, but nothing felt the same. The palace, the world, had changed. She walked quietly like a stranger and lived the rest of her life in silence, a princess forgotten by time. But her final wish still remains. I want to go home.
Curious about Korean history? If you have questions about Korea, please like, comment, and subscribe!